Hi and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Thursday the 5th of March with me, Rich Bow, market analyst at Tech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen, and the stability has sort of returned to dollar yen slightly, and we retain, I'm retaining a slightly bullish bias to the outlook. Still trading above the moving averages, which are all rising, so that's a positive. Momentum indicators, RSI 57, so that's slightly positive. MACD lines slightly rising. Stochastics generally positive, although a slight rolling over, but nothing too horrendous yet. And it's sort of consolidated this. I mean, this yesterday's trading day was an inside day, and also pretty neutral, pretty nondescript really. So the fact that we've reacted positively today, up 25 pips on the day, is a good reaction initially. And the big thing is, this is on the hourly chart, is finding that support around 119.40, which was that old breakout level, and using that as a basis of support and pushing higher again, starting to build once more. And in the last few minutes, we are now looking to break out above this 119.90 area. And we're just slightly trading under that, but we have by a couple of pips, but nothing too specific yet. But it certainly looks like it's building towards a retest of this reaction high at 26, and that sort of is the slight bit of protection that comes in underneath the 2050 area. So it certainly still looks as though there is a bullish element to this chart. I mean, even on the intraday chart now, we're trading above all the moving averages again, and momentum indicators retaining a slightly positive bias as well. So we are still on the positive tack, and I think what you've got to do on dollar yen at the moment is not really going anywhere for any great length of time before sort of correcting back. So I think you've got to play it on a near-term basis, and I think that any sort of dips are buying opportunities, and I'd be rather playing it on the long side, certainly with all these bullish biases that the charts are showing. But it certainly looks like that is the way that we've got to play. And the fact that it's not really going anywhere, I mean, the daily chart is okay. It's sort of making small, slight gains, but nothing too outrageous. And it just looks like if you it just looks like at the moment just playing dollar yen on a short-term basis is probably the more profitable way to play it, because you can sort of dip in and out of these trades rather than sort of sitting in them and then sort of seeing profits eroded on a daily basis as you sort of see the fluctuations. But there is a generally slight bullish bias, so that's why I would be preferring to play this on the long side. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on the dollar yen chart today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.